Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix no brightness slider in Windows 11. First method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand control panel, click and expand display, open disable the display control panel. Check disabled, click apply, click OK, restart system. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies. Right-click new key under policies named as system. Right-click new D-word 32-bit value named as no DISPCPL. Change value data to 0, click OK and exit Registry Editor, restart system. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Monitor, right-click Monitor, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Monitor, right-click Monitor, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Net. Fifth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Monitor, right-click Monitor, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.